Mastering the mirror trick, a fun way to improve your English pronunciation. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and effective technique called the mirror trick. This method is not just fun, but it's also a great way to improve your pronunciation and speaking skills in English. So, let's dive in and discover how the mirror trick can help you on your language learning journey. The mirror trick is a technique where you practice speaking in front of a mirror. This allows you to observe and adjust your mouth movements, facial expressions, and overall posture while speaking. It's a powerful tool because it combines visual feedback with auditory practice, enhancing your ability to pronounce words correctly and express yourself more effectively in English. Why use the mirror trick? Visual feedback. Seeing your facial movements helps correct pronunciation. Confidence boost. Practicing in front of a mirror builds confidence in speaking. Self-awareness. Increases awareness of your speaking habits and areas for improvement. 1. Choose a comfortable space. Find a quiet place with a mirror. This could be your bathroom, a standing mirror in your room, or any space where you can speak without interruptions. 2. Start with simple words. Begin by pronouncing simple words and gradually move to more complex phrases. Pay attention to how your mouth and lips move. 3. Observe your expressions. Notice your facial expressions. Are you smiling, frowning, or keeping a neutral face? Expressions are a crucial part of communication. 4. Practice dialogues. Try practicing dialogues or sentences. This helps in understanding the flow of conversation and improves your intonation. 5. Record your practice. Occasionally, record your practice sessions. This allows you to track your progress and notice improvements over time. Be patient. Mastery takes time. Don't rush the process. Regular practice. Consistency is key. Try to practice daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Seek feedback. If possible, get feedback from a teacher or a native speaker. Combine with other techniques. Use the mirror trick alongside other learning methods like listening exercises and reading aloud. The mirror trick is a simple yet powerful tool in your English learning toolkit. By regularly practicing in front of a mirror, you'll not only improve your pronunciation but also gain confidence in your speaking abilities. Remember, every great speaker was once a beginner, and with dedication and practice, you can achieve your language goals. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.